In this chapter, I consider issues related to documenting and interpreting effect sizes for mediation analysis in RETs. This is a challenging topic that unfortunately has not received enough attention in the context of RETs. Most people think of effect size in terms of standardized indices like squared correlations or Cohen's d. Actually, simple mean differences and unstandardized regression coefficients are indices of effect size as well. They just are not standardized in format. Standardized effect sizes are useful, but they also have weaknesses. I discuss the strengths and weaknesses of them in this chapter. I review 5 types of standardized effect size. These include the variances of disturbance terms, Cohen's d, an index of exceptions to the rule, the number needed to treat index, and risk differences, relative risks, and odds ratios. I also consider effect size indices for omnibus mediation effects, whose use I tend to discourage in RETs. I also address the problem of setting effect size standards in RETs. How do we know if an effect size is meaningful or not? What is an acceptable effect size? Unfortunately, too many researchers do not think this matter through, and instead they rely on arbitrary guidelines suggested by Jacob Cohen. Notably, Cohen himself argued against using his guidelines, and he told friends that offering them was one of the biggest regrets of his career. In this chapter, I provide you with ways of thinking about and establishing the meaningfulness of effect sizes in the context of RETs and program evaluations. There are no easy answers to the problem of setting standards for evaluating effect size. It is a problem we need to think about much more than we do. Okay, I hope you find some useful nuggets of knowledge in this chapter. Thanks.